Turkish coffee is a rich and flavorful drink with a unique brewing method that requires patience and precision. To make authentic Turkish coffee, start with finely ground coffee, preferably Arabica, and measure 1 heaping teaspoon per cup. Use a special long-handled pot called a sieve and add cold water about 70 milliliters per serving along with sugar if desired, but don't stir yet. Place the sieve over low heat and let it warm up slightly before stirring gently to dissolve the coffee and sugar. As it heats, a thick foam will start forming. Just before it boils, remove it from the heat and pour a little foam into each cup. Return the sieve to the heat briefly until it nearly boils again, then slowly pour the remaining coffee into the cups, ensuring the foam stays intact. Let it settle for a minute before sipping, and enjoy it slowly, often with a glass of water and a piece of Turkish delight. This traditional method brings out the deep, bold flavors that make Turkish coffee so special.